Adjectives, enhancing your language and descriptive words. Get ready to embark on a thrilling language adventure as we explore the wonderful world of adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It tells you more about the noun. An adjective usually appears before the noun. It describes. Sometimes, though, the adjectives appear after the noun later in the sentence. Here are some of the examples. A small dog. An old building. A tall basketball player. A busy street. A deep sea. A large bed. Let's use an adjective in a sentence. John's handwriting is very neat. Neat. She is happy. Happy. The sea is rough. Rough. They live in a beautiful house. Beautiful. Ben is an adorable baby. Adorable. Peter is very quiet today. Quiet. Linda's hair is gorgeous. Gorgeous. He is a fast driver. Fast. I am very tired. Tired. The table is very big. Big. The soup is very hot. Hot. Let's do the activity. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Number 1. There is an empty room upstairs. It's a hot summer. You are so kind. Don't be crazy. This park is clean and green. Many people exercise to keep healthy. I think these eggs are rotten. We are all bored. There isn't anything to do. The pupils don't find the joke I'm using. Jane was absent because he was ill. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.